I said 95%. Imagine so much of bulk of communication takes place non-verbal. What is non-verbal? It's nowadays so many languages has come. The body language, the eye language, the voice language. I can read the voice on phone. Hello, Nisa ji, how are you? Fine, fine, sir. What about you, sir? That voice will tell me that what is her mood, what is her frame of mind now. If she is comfortable, fresh, always ready to do something good, then the voice will be different. The vocal cord changes. If you go more into it, the inner abdominal pressure, IAP, if you are having a very good mindset, IAP increases and your voice will be very good. You will be acceptable by people around you. So if you are depressed, your IAP will be low. Inner abdominal pressure ये serious है, no दिमाग में रखिएगा. Please keep it in mind. So non-verbal, I want to go little more into it because you people might not be knowing or something. There are few words I had written here. Duster hai na? In MIT, I had been to MIT University for such lecture. There, what I am writing, the teachers were saying, sir, we wanted all these things, somebody to speak and all that blah blah. Non-verbal communication we are talking. There are few words, then we will discuss. K-I-N-E, kinesics. Ocule, 6. Chronemics. Proxemics. Paralanguage. This is also called vocalics. And haptic. Say, our facial expression, eye contact, movement of the pupil or blinking of the eyes, staring. Then, please come. So next is the study or the area related for non-verbal communication and for human being only. That is the motion, the gesture, posture, the way person is sitting, the way person is having elementary motion, कैसे उठता है, बैठता है, ठीक है? That is kinemics. Suppose I am sitting here, what is my posture? What is my gesture now? Okay, how I look like, how I look at you people. So, kinemics. Then, oculesics, it is part of kinemics. It is related totally to the eye contact. On verbal communication, remember the eye contact is very important. Is very, very important. And the facial expression, the movement of the pupil also, putlika, that expansion of the pupil also, if you go more into it, if I want to assert something, my pupil, if I want to stare, किसी को देखना है, डांटने है, stare करना है, तो मेरा पुपिल ना एक्सपैंड होता है, किसी का भी. दैट इज ए साइंस. This deals with eye and the facial, expression which transmits the various non-verbal thing to the sender. Correct? No?
Yes, sir.
अभी हम कोई बोला जरा वो हमको थाली दीजिए, हमने ये लो. देखिए इसमें मेरा बॉडी लैंग्वेज, काइनेमिक्स आ गया, मेरा आवाज, वॉइस आ गया, वर्सन आ गया, डांटते हुए कि कहाँ है, हमसे मांग रहा है, एंड बॉडी लैंग्वेज आ गया. सो उसको लगा मिल गया, लेकिन उसको लगा गुस्सा है वो, हाँ, खुशी से नहीं दिया है ना. चाहे लीजिए, आइए. वेरी सिंपल. आई विल गिव यू मोर एग्जांपल. दिस इज जनरल, एलिमेंट्री जेस्चर, पोस्चर, बैठना उठना. दिस इज आई related, facial related, mind you. Loud. हाँ, facial expression also. And this chronomics, this has got to do with the space. No, not a space. A space has got time. A space has got with this proxemics. This has got to do with the time. Say how much I am punctual. Today I was 3 minutes late because of jam. So how I see the time, how precious the time is, whether I am punctual or not, whether I am worried about the time or not. While giving lecture which is from 10:30 to 11:30, if the time is short, how my expression will change. All these things, there are various way how people see the time. उसमें भी है, आप घुसिएगा तो, जैसे कि है कि मोनोक्रोमेटिक टाइम, पॉलीक्रोमेटिक टाइम. In America and all, my son studies in New York University. He was saying there, we can also see in Google or anywhere, the American people, they see the time as money. Pure money. There one thing is done at one time. That is called monochromatic time. The way you look at the time. And somewhere other like South Asia and all that, there the many jobs are done at one time. So they see, अभी धूप है, सुबह में ही काम कर लेते हैं, बाद में धूप आ जाएगा, ट्रॉपिकल है. अभी यहाँ कैसे चल रहा है ना. तो सिचुएशनल और एक धारणा जो बन गई है, एक चले आ रहा है बहुत दिनों से, उस हिसाब से भी वो टाइम को लेते हैं, बहुत काम करते हैं, और टाइम थोड़ा वेस्ट होता है तो दे डोंट सी दैट द टाइम लॉस्ट इज मनी लॉस्ट. बट इन अमेरिका दे सी एज द टाइम. सो हाउ ए पर्सन इज थिंकिंग अबाउट द टाइम, and that way also he communicates. Suppose I came late in the hall, suppose you all are sitting here. The moment I entered, he saw his watch. Suppose that will give me a message. No, that will come in chromic. He is very alert in that area, that he will not say anything, but he will give me a hint that you are late. And that I will like such person. Some people don't like.